Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at the irregular verbs na brithe na bhrialta san aimsir áisina in the future tense. Be, to be, aber, to say, feck, to see. Fi, to get or find, te, to go, deign, to make or do. Bear, to grab, clish, to hear, I, to eat. Tor, to give, tar, to come. So there are 11 brithe na bhrialta, but not all of them are regular in the future tense. Some of them just follow the rules for brithe cuian, brithe lahan, but some of them are quite tricky. So we'll go through them all now. Be, to be, doesn't follow the rules. Beg may, I will be. Beg to, you will be. Beg she, he will be. Beg she will be. Be amid, we will be. Beg shiv, ye will be. Beg shiad, they will be. On meg, ní veg. Aber, to say. So again, it's irregular. It doesn't quite follow the rules. Derfi may, I will say. Derfi to, you will say. Derfi she, he will say. Derfi she will say. Derfamid, we will say. Derfi shiv, ye will say. Derfi shiad, they will say. On nerfi, ní yerfi. Fi, to get or find. So it's an interesting one. Yoi may, I will get. Yoi to, you will get. Yoi she, he will get. Yoi she will get. Yo amid, we will get. Yoi shiv, ye will get. Yoi shiad, they will get. And then the question and the negative, on vai, ní vai. Feck, to see. So feck just follows the rules of brithe cuil saccade raimú, so one syllable slender verb. Fecci may, I will see. Fecci to, you will see. Fecci she, he will see. Fecci she will see. Fecci mid, we will see. Fecci shiv, ye will see. Fecci shiad, they will see. On veci, ní eci. Te, to go, again, very unusual in the future tense. Rocky may, I will go. Rocky to, you will go. Rocky she, he will go. Rocky she will go. Rockamid, we will go. Rocky shiv, ye will go. Rocky shiad, they will go. On Rocky, ní Rocky. Deign, to make or do. Again, it just follows brithe lahan saccade raimú. It just follows a one syllable broad verb. Deign he may, I will make. Deign he to, you will make. Deign he she, he will make. Deign he she will make. Deign amid, we will make. Deign he shiv, ye will make. Deign he shiad, they will make. On yein he, ní yein he. Bear, to grab. So again, it just changes slightly. So bear he may, I will grab. Bear he to, you will grab. Bear he she, he will grab. Bear he she will grab. Bear her mid, we will grab. Bear he shiv, ye will grab. Bear he shiad, they will grab. On mer he, ní verfi. Clish, to hear. So that just follows the rules of a one syllable brithe cuil. Clishy may, I will hear. Clishy to, you will hear. Clishy she, he will hear. Clishy she will hear. Clishy mid, we will hear. Clishy shiv, ye will hear. Clishy shiad, they will hear. On glishy, ní clishy. So it is irregular san aimsir áisneach, to eat. Eastri may, I will eat. Eastri to, you will eat. Eastri she, he will eat. Eastri she will eat. Eastri mid, we will eat. Eastri shiv, ye will eat. Eastri shiad, they will eat. On Eastri, ní Eastfi. Tor. Now, tor is slightly irregular in that you take out the I and it becomes a brithe lahan, it becomes a broad vowel. Tor he may, I will take. Tor he to, you will take. Tor he she, he will take. Tor he she will take. Tor he mid, we will take. Tor he shiv, ye will take. Tor he shiad, they will take. On dur he, ní horfi. Tar to come. Now, this one is a regular, but probably quite a well-known one for obvious reasons. Chucky May, you will come. Chucky 2, you will come. Chucky Shay, he will come. Chucky she will come. Chucky Mid, we will come. Chucky Shiv, ye will come. Chucky Sheed, they will come. On Jucky, ni Yucky.
Agus sin é.